Hello everyone, we are here to test this automatic changeover that we designed for a client in Rivers State. Is specifically in Port Harcourt. We have designed this a single phase automatic changeover using two different contactors. All right, as you can see, um, the changeover is already powered. That is why you can see the indicator lamps here. However, you cannot see it running here uh, right now until we turn on these breakers. So let us test this to see. Turning on the generator breaker. So you can see that as we turned on the generator breaker, the generator has come up, showing that this indicator tells that the generator is active. However, this blue one is supposed to show you that the load is powered, but the load has not been powered yet. So we turn on this breaker for the load. You can see it is turned on right now. So how about the NEPA side, which is the grid? Let us turn it on to also see. So immediately we have turned it on, it switches immediately. That is why the generator indicator has uh, gone off. However, you will notice that the load indicator did not even blink while the switching was active. And at this point in time, as the NEPA is active, the generator can never come on again. Generator can never come on again. So this is an illustration of the automatic driver that we have constructed. So in continuation of this illustration, you can see that it has been designed with all sense of safety, yes, such that it interlocked in such a way that on no account should there be bridging between these two different power supply sources. You can see it is still running on the grid. This generator can only be active if this grid goes off. That is the NEPA. If it goes off, if there is no power supply from the grid, that is only time that you will see this generator come up again. However, while it is doing the switching thing, you would never get to see this your the load lose power at all. There will never be any break in transmission on the load side of this your automatic changeover. All right, so let us see that. Just focus on the load, please. You can see the generator has come up now while the load is still very active. So if at every point in time you will see that your light is blinking while it is switching, just know that that machine was not designed very well. So you can see this is what we do at VertField Tech. This is what we do at VertField Tech. So if the grid comes back on, you can see that the indicator showing you that the grid is on is back while your load is still very much active. So even if you turn off the load, you can see. So that is why we put this control measure here as also a sign of safety, so that when anyone is working here in terms of maintenance, you can also be able to control the whole system. So if you are running maintenance on the generator side, you can easily turn it off. If you want to run maintenance on the grid side, you can easily turn it off this way. Okay, and once you turn it off, you run your maintenance. So you can see this is one thing we do at VertField Tech. So whether you're a technician or an engineer or a new person to automatic changeover designs, you are welcome to VertField Tech. We are using this opportunity to also invite anyone, even if you are a client, you need something like this, always reach out to us. Okay, we can design a bigger one for you. We can even design for three-phase system for you, and we make sure it is very, very safe for you to use. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this illustration. I hope you have enjoyed this illustration. All right, thank you.